So you Googled because you're wondering if you can recycle a container like this. The answer is yes, but the question is how? Well, I'm about to show you. First of all, the lid, that's easy. You can recycle that. It's flung on the ground. You see how you can't tear it? That's metal covered with plastic. That is not recyclable. You have to chuck that. You poke it in. And you take your scissors and you cut all the way to the edge. Then all you need to do is pull gently on this. See how it's coming off? It's coming out from the seam here, okay? So you pull it off. Now, put it in a container of water. It doesn't need to be submerged, okay? And then this metal thing, this can be recycled. The other side, same thing, cut to the top and pull it apart. You can do this with a Pringles container. You can do it with baby formula. There are a lot of different containers that are shaped like this. Baking soda, so just pull it off. Metal to be recycled. This, just put it in the water. And then do something else and come back in a little while and I'll show you how to finish up the job. Here it is after a few minutes. Okay, see how it's loose here? It's getting close, but it's not quite all the way done. Okay, so after soaking a little while, check this out. This is almost as satisfying as pulling that plastic film off new electronics. Look at that, it just comes off. You're left with only the cardboard. It's wet, but it'll dry, and you can just throw it in the recycling as it is. Look at that. And that is how to recycle a metal and cardboard canister.
Wow.
Thanks for watching.
Good job, Laura.
Thank you, Becky.